front of the house, so the room is going to be double the size. It's about a little over 1,000 square feet. So we went from 144 square feet to over 1,000 square feet. So we're really excited. Everything is going to be brand new. We're going to have new electricity, new plumbing, new windows, new siding, new landscaping. This is going to be really beautiful, and we're happy. We're happy that we're doing this project. We're happy that we're working with Bernard Construction, and we can't wait to do more projects. The owner who gave me the idea was Bernie Construction, and that's his house.